Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies in the microwave without eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This recipe is perfect for a quick treat and doesn't require any eggs, making it super convenient. Now let's get mixing. In a small bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, gradually add the flour and vanilla extract. Mix until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough. Just combine until everything comes together nicely. Time to shape and cook. Roll your dough into small 1-inch balls and place them on a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment paper, flattening them slightly. Microwave 1 or 2 cookies at a time for about 45 to 60 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. They might seem soft, but they will firm up as they cool. Let them cool completely before handling. Once your cookies are fully cooled, it's time for the fun part: decorating. You can use your favorite frosting, some colorful sprinkles, or a simple glaze to make them extra special. These microwave sugar cookies are a delightful, quick treat. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.